In this video, let's learn how to clear your storage unnecessary files. Go to your mobile settings, scroll down this page, go to device care option. In here, click on storage. In here, you can see your recycle bin and unused apps, duplicate files and large files. You can easily clean up your storage. Now, if you want to clear your recycle bin, click on this recycle bin option. After, you can clear your file manager recycle bin or gallery recycle bin in here. You can see my file manager deleted files on recycle bin. If you want to delete your unused apps, you can click on this unused apps option and you can select all and you can uninstall them. In this method, you can delete your unnecessary files and you can get more storage.